The 14th Amendment gets thrown around a lot, especially here in 2025, but most people don't actually know what it says. So here's the text. All persons born or naturalized in the United States are citizens. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge privileges or immunities of citizens, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of the law, nor deny any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. It's a mouthful, so here it is in plain language. If you're born here, you're a citizen here. The government can't take your life or your freedom or your property without fair process. And every person, not just citizens, is entitled to equal protection under the law. Fair process means you get notice, a chance to be heard, and a neutral judge before the government takes your rights away. The biggest misconception is that the 14th only protects citizens. But the amendment is crystal clear. No state can deny any person equal protection, not just citizens, persons. When they meant citizens, they said citizens. When they meant everybody, they said person. That's not an opinion. That's how the courts have ruled every single time someone tried to twist it otherwise. Why did they write it like that? Context matters. Just a decade earlier in Dred Scott versus Sandford, the Supreme Court declared black people could never be citizens. That ruling poured gasoline on the national crisis already raging over slavery and pushed the country toward war. Slavery was abolished in the 13th Amendment, but Southern states clawed rights back through black codes. So in 1868, Congress slammed the door shut with the 14th Amendment. National citizenship, due process, and equal protection for everyone under U.S. jurisdiction. That's who we say we are. Those ideals are what make us great. Fast forward to today, that's why children of immigrants born here are citizens. That's why discriminatory state laws get struck down. That's why the 14th is cited in cases from desegregation to marriage equality. The 14th Amendment isn't just an amendment, it's the country we promise to be. Equal protection doesn't mean protection for some. It means protection for all. The government cannot drag you from your car, your workplace, or your home because of your skin color, your language, or your faith. That's not law enforcement. That's unconstitutional discrimination. And in a time when division is being stoked, remembering that matters more than ever. The 14th was America saying, never again will freedom depend on your skin color or the state you live in. If we forget that, we're not just misreading the Constitution, we're dismantling it. We're effectively sawing off the branch on which we're sitting. And if the courts ever fail to honor the 14th Amendment, if they say it's okay to treat people differently because of their race, their language, or their